We are talking about ladder safety, particularly in facilities maintenance. This is an important topic. So this is the Osha quick card, taken directly from the Osha website. You can find it there and print it out and post it in your shop. So we're talking about portable ladder safety, whether that's an A-frame ladder, an extension ladder, etc. They come in different sizes. They're made out of different material, aluminum, wood, fiberglass, etc. But falls from ladders are one of the leading causes of occupational fatalities and injuries in the workplace. You really want to read and take seriously the safety labels that are on the side of your ladder. Avoid electrical hazards. Look for overhead power lines before handling a ladder. Avoid using a metal ladder near power lines or exposed energized electrical equipment. Always inspect your ladder prior to using it. If the ladder is damaged, it must be removed from service and tagged until repaired or replaced. Always maintain 3 points of contact on your ladder. So that means 1 hand, 2 feet, or 2 hands and 1 foot. You really don't want to be carrying something up the ladder at the same time. That can be dangerous. You want to use a rope and pulley system to lift up things, or have a tool belt on to carry things around your waist. Make sure the ladder is level. Make sure it's not on a slippery surface. You may even need to tie off the ladder to a part of the building or something solid so the ladder can't slip out from under you. And never stand on the top rung or the very top step of the ladder. Never overreach to one side or the other. And again, don't place a ladder on top of something else to try to make the ladder taller. That's not safe. And do not move or shift the ladder while a person or equipment is on the ladder. An extension or straight ladder used to access an elevated surface must extend at least 3 feet above the point of support. If you look at the diagram here, do not stand on the 3 top rungs of a straight single or extension ladder. The proper angle for setting up a ladder is to place its base 1/4 of the working length of the ladder from the wall or other vertical surface, as you see in this diagram. You may even need to put barricades or safety signs around your ladder if you're in a high traffic area, so someone doesn't accidentally bump your ladder while you're on the ladder. You may even want to institute a policy in your business that anytime a ladder is used, it's a 2-man process. 1 guy climbs up the ladder, 1 guy stands at the base and helps support the ladder. And be sure that everything is fully locked if you're using an extension ladder, like an A-frame ladder, properly engaged. And it's really important, do not exceed the maximum load rating of a ladder. There should be a sticker on the side of your ladder that says what the maximum load capacity is for your ladder. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, ring the bell, and leave me a comment for future video topics you would like me to cover.